This is the remote control of F22 4K Pro, which will bring a brand new operation experience. The front keys of the remote control from left to right, respectively, are emergency stop landing, throttle joystick, speed switch, photographing, GPS return home, camera shooting, directed joystick, power switch. The functions on the top of the remote control are respectively from the left to the right, turning up and down lamps, communication connection interface, zoom in and out. The charging port is on the bottom of the remote control. The icons on the LCD screen have the remote control, the standard version. Battery state of remote control, GPS signal intensity, remote control signal strength, photographing, camera shooting, speed switch, status display, battery state of aircraft, distance, height, flight speed, and ascent and descent speed. Note when the battery of remote control is low, the battery state icon of remote control will keep blinking. At this moment, please stop flying and charge the remote control immediately. App installation. Scan the corresponding QR code in the instruction manual. Download and install the app of aircraft. Plug in the patch cord to connect the telephone. Open SJRC Pro. To enter into the operation interface, the app contains multiple operation functions. Back to initial interface. Automatic takeoff. GPS return home. More functions. GPS following. Image following. Point of interested flight. Waypoint flight. Gesture photographing. Gesture shooting. Zoom. Angle adjustment. One key fly far. One key skyrocketing. One key spiral. Vertical screen photograph. Filter. Music. VR split screen. Live streaming. Compass interface. When there is no interface, the aircraft indicates 0. When it is 1000, it means beyond index. Remote battery. GPS signal. Battery state of aircraft. Setting. SD card state. Shooting function. Shutter. Media library sharing with one button. Recording. Distance meter. Height meter. Speed meter per second. Thank you for watching an instruction video, a remote control and app for F22 4K Pro.